Hey, this is Ben from SaxSound, and I'm going to explain how to install our plugins on Mac. The first step is, of course, download the files for Mac. Inside the file, you will find the BSD3 and AU plugins and the instruments folder. You have to move the BSD3 file to Library, Audio, Plugins, BSD3, and the component file to Library, Audio, Plugins, Components. Then move the instrument folder to any location. For example, you can create a folder called SaxSound inside the documents. You can also use an external drive, as this is the largest file. Now go to your DAW and open the BSD3 or AU plugin. Here you will need to select the instrument folder you saved before. Make sure to click on the folder before selecting it. And that's it. Now you can keep producing.